I'm just going to run through some of the menu UIs that you can use. So there's set up file names. You can click onto set up file names and build your own file names. You've got presets for things like NinjaTrader, and you can see how that's altered to suit the formatting routines for there. For trading blocks is the same for CQG and for Portara, and the symbol sets you can change in here as well as a secondary option. So you've got the choices from different symbol set maps. There's the one for CSI, and notice the changes down here that take place, and also one for NinjaTrader, so you can see, and then you can even change those as well in there by double clicking into there and making changes as you see fit across there too. If you wish to start again from scratch, there's a revert to Portara symbol set. You click that and accept the message, and it will be back to what it was originally for you. And notice that the example format down here, if you make changes, it will show you what that is in each and every case, so that you are aware of how the file name format will appear when you run data later on. Another menu item worthy of a mention is set up portfolios, and with this it's an optional thing. You may never use it, but you can, if you wish, set up individual portfolios by creating them here, and you can save and delete them at your leisure. And you can use these tabs here on a per tab basis for each data type, and create just by selecting them into their portfolios. Again, you don't have to use this, but it's there if you want it, and you can select these combo boxes and put in the files that suit you into any order you wish to, and then you press save to set up your portfolios. If you are using portfolios, then it's a simple matter. If you are downloading, you can right click and select to download portfolio, and it will know what to grab from the cloud. And likewise, if you are wanting to unzip a portfolio rather than all the information at once, if you've got hundreds of symbols, then you just simply come in here and press unzip, and it will unzip that portfolio for you. And the same is true of the continuous data too. Let's have a brief look at the session manager, which we've just opened. And the session manager, it is only useful for intraday and tick, so it's got no use at all whatsoever for daily, so be aware of that. And simply you can come in here and set start and end times on a exchange based or a local based timestamp basis to chop away any unwanted morning or evening sessions from the data, if that's something that you want to do. So be aware that the session manager is here too.